So at this time, you either own an iPhone 13 Pro Max or probably thinking about buying one. Now, question is, should you buy the iPhone 13 Pro Max in 2024? Sorry for the back of this particular one. I broke it while shooting a review on the Galaxy S20. So yes, the iPhone 13 series in itself, it's still a great buy in 2024, though it's criticized for its large screen and weight. This is especially true if you are buying a used phone. You will see used models on marketplaces like eBay starting around $390 plus. Now, if you are considering getting a new phone, however, the 13 Pro Max may not make much sense as getting the 14 or the 15 series because the cost savings wouldn't be that much. So yeah, the iPhone 13 Pro Max was the biggest in Apple's 2021 iPhone lineup, and its big size did not only allow for a 6.7-inch big display, but also the biggest battery, thus a 4,352 milliamps. And this large battery makes it last really long. The phone is guaranteed to receive about 6 years of software updates and currently runs on iOS 17. So you still have up to about 2026 or 2027 to receive support from Apple. That's great news. The 13 Pro Max comes with a triple camera setup consisting of a 12 megapixels wide, ultra wide and telephoto lens. Each lens is equipped with its own optical image stabilization, ensuring a sharp and steady images and videos. It's equipped with an intelligent technology that allows for improved low light performance, reduced noise, and good dynamic range. The cinematic mode enables content creators especially to capture professional quality videos with focus and real-time depth effects. Onto the display, the iPhone supports a Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology, which offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. So whether you are scrolling through social media, which most of us do, or watching videos, or probably playing games, the display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent color contrast. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A15 Bionic chip, which provides blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking. The iPhone 13 Pro Max retains the sleek and premium aesthetic that Apple is known for, with its flat edge design and ceramic shield front cover. The back also features a matte glass finish that looks elegant and reduces fingerprints. I personally do not like the look and feel of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in general because of how big it is, like I already mentioned. But in terms of performance and camera performance and the overall performance of this device, and so yeah, I think this phone is still relevant in 2024. Most of the talks about can be found on this iPhone 13 Pro Max, and so I think it's still relevant in 2024. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one.